Sobat Rumah Belajar, Om Swastiastu. Salam, Nangun Sakerti Loka Bali, melalui pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Hello everybody, we are going to learn about song. Well everyone, do you like listening a song? I believe everybody like listening a song. Okay, before we start to our material, let's listen to the song first.
So after you listen this song, can you guess what is the title of this song? Yes, you're right. The title of this song is I Have a Dream by Westlife. And message from this song is that you should have positive mind about everything that happens around you and never give up on your dream.
Okay, now let me explain about the material. For the first, we begin with the definitions of song. Let me begin with the definition of song. You can see on the slide that a song is a short poem or other sets of words set to music or meant to be sung. In other words, a song is a composition for voice or voices performed by singing, but can be used when referring to an instrumental. Okay, the second is the social functions of song. The social function of song consists of 6. Okay, the first is to inspire the listener, and number 2, to express feeling of the songwriters. Number 3, to share feeling with others. Number 4, to teach a lesson to the listener. 5, to criticize environment or condition, and the last, to amuse or entertain the listener.
Okay, next we continue to the structures of a song. The structures of a song consist of 6 structures. There are, number 1 is intro, which is the beginning of the song, is usually not heard by the singer, only the instrument. Number 2 is verse, is the main part of a song that tells a story. Number 3, refrain, is transition from verse to chorus. And number 4 is chorus, is the core, is usually the easiest to remember. And number 5 is bridge, chorus link to the next chorus or to the coda. And the last, number 6, coda, is closing song. Okay, we continue to the linguistic features of song. Song also have linguistic features, and here are the linguistic features of the song. Number 1 is imagery, is used to describe feelings and emotion. For example, when people can be so cool. It means that a song usually tries to describe the feelings of the writer feels. Number 2 is rhythm, is used to create the mood of the song. For example, if we are sad and listening to a song with a slow rhythm, then we will be carried away with the song. So rhythm creates the mood. Number 3, the last, is experiences, sometimes told as figure of speech. Example, and you need a helping hand. Okay, now it's the time to give you the example of song. Okay, this is the example of song. The title of this song is You've Got a Friend by McFly. And then I will explain about the structures of this song. First, there is intro. So we know that intro usually played by instrument. And then second, it's called first one. And the third, it's called chorus. And the fourth, it's called first 2. And the fifth, it's called bridge. And the last 6, it's called chorus. This song has moral value. The moral value of this song is tells the meaning of friendship. Okay, that's all about our topic about song. Thank you for your attention and see you.
Okay everybody, that's all about our topic today. Our topic is about song.